If the student travel to Vietnam, they can learn not just only about the culture and history, but also they can spend a lot of time with the local people. For education, you don't just need to be in the classroom or at the universities to study, but you can always study other field. We dig deeper on that and provide meaningful program for the teacher, where we can tell the teacher like, hey, if you go to Vietnam, here what you can learn about the culture, here what you can learn about history. And then the local people is really famous for their hospitalities and friendlies. The project I do in northern Vietnam, we can set up the homestay in remote area where our students come and spend time living together with the local people, learn about the cultures by doing the activities. They can go and work on the farm. They can also go to the kitchen of the local people and then learn to make some Vietnamese food. Do a lot of outdoor activities like trekking, biking, or bamboo rafting. I met Hena from Beyond Classroom and her teams. For them, the focus is to build up the great learning experience for the student on the ground. I'm planning to build up some good product for Beyond Classroom to sell for the school group around the world. We also working together on the health and safety risk assessment audit for the program before we selling it out. We want to build up the meaningful projects for the communities and also for the students to get involved. What funding we need for those projects? We do a bigger plan. It's not just in Vietnam, but in Southeast Asia, like in Cambodia, in Thailand, for our program. Wow. In my show, Beyond Classroom and myself work out together, and we identify one communities that we can support. We work with the communities. They already have homestay, but we work out together with them to build up the activities for them, where we can increase the income for the local people. We work on the infrastructure project with the communities, road building project, solar light project, healthcare project, environment project for the communities.